Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Rindiani Octaviana. Now I'm going to discuss about giving information. To start with, the first point is gathering information. One way to gather information is by interviewing someone. These are ways before going to interview. Number one, before writing. Make a list of questions that you want to ask your partner. Copy your questions on a separate piece of paper. Leave enough space to read in your partner's answers. Number two, writing. Write the paragraph of the article that describes the person you interviewed. Remember to begin with a good topic sentence and to group similar ideas together. Number three, revising. Now, ask your partner to read your paragraph. Rewrite your paragraph based on your partner's suggestions. Remember to indent the first sentence. The next point is using statistical information. Sometimes you will want to use statistical information to support your topic, using charts, graphs, or tables. Statistical information is often presented in the form of a chart, graph, or table. It is important that you be able to interpret the information and write about that. Here is some vocabulary that will help you. Increase, decrease, fall, rise, greater, rate, percent, and percentage. Chart. These are examples of chart. They show the strong trend toward urbanization in Mexico. In the first chart, in years 1940 and the second chart in year 1978. And the questions will help you to interpret the information of the strong trend toward urbanization in Mexico. And the questions will answer by charts. Graph or table. The graph below shows the total number of students who attended Springfield Academy between the years 1985 and 1995. And the questions will help you to interpret the information of the total number of students who attended Springfield Academy between the year 1985 and 1995. This chart about percentage distribution of foreign students by major fields in the United States. Based on this chart, I have made a paragraph, and this is a paragraph. There are 13 major fields in the United States, consist of business and management, engineering, physical and life sciences, mathematics and computer sciences, other, social sciences, undeclared, fine and applied arts, health sciences, intensive English language, humanities, education, and agriculture. From 13 major fields, there are two most popular fields. First of all, business and management. It is first most popular field because many foreign students choose it with 20.1%. The second is engineering. It is second most popular field that foreign students choose with 17.7%. This means that almost 40% of all foreign students are studying either engineering or business and management. This is followed by 7.6% studying social sciences, 8.8% studying physical and life sciences. Foreign students in the United States also studying mathematics and computer sciences with 8.7%, other 8.6%, and undeclared 6.4%, fine and applied arts 5.1%, health sciences 4.1%, intensive English language 4.1%, humanities 3.8%, education 3.0%, and agriculture 2.0%. Therefore, foreign students choose major field based on their interest. The next point is combining sentences. Sometimes you can make your writing more interesting by combining two short sentences with words like and, but, and or. Study these examples. Notice that a comma is placed before and, but, and or. Number 1. Combining sentences with and. Example: she has a beautiful voice. She dances very well. She has a beautiful voice and she dances very well. Number 2. Combining sentences with but. Example: Yoko can sing very well. She can't play the piano. Yoko can sing very well, but she can't play the piano. Number 3. Combining sentences with or. Example: you can drink a cup of tea in the morning. You can drink milk in the morning. You can drink a cup of tea in the morning, or you can drink milk in the morning. Decapitalization. These are rules of capitalization. Number 1. Use a capital letter for names of people, countries, states, cities, towns, streets, days of the week, months of the year, and holidays. Number 2. Begin the first word of every sentence with a capital letter. Number 3. Begin the first word of a direct quote with a capital letter. And the last, capitalize the names of books, magazines, and movies. This paragraph I have edited by using capitalizations with well. Throughout history, people have found it necessary to do mathematical computation and keep counts. In early times, we used groups of sticks or stones to help make calculations. Then, the abacus was developed in China. These simple methods represent the beginnings of data processing. As computational needs become more complicated, we developed more advanced technologies. One example is the first simple adding machine that Mr. Blaise Pascal developed in 1642. Another example is the first machine that would do calculations and print out results, which Mr. Charles Babbage designed in 1830. In the middle of the 20th century, researchers at the University of Pennsylvania built the first electronic computer. Today, of course, We have the computer to perform all kinds of advanced mathematical computations. Okay, I think just all about the presentations, and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.